Hello, and welcome to our channel. Health guide and tips. In this video, we are going to explore one of the most amazing and complex organs in our body, the human brain. What is the human brain? The human brain is the control center of our body. It is comprised of billions of neurons and trillions of synapses. It is responsible for everything that we do, from breathing to learning to experiencing emotions. It is the reason we exist as conscious beings in the world. Parts of the human brain. The human brain is divided into different parts, each responsible for a specific function. The cerebral cortex. This is the outermost layer of the brain and is responsible for our consciousness, movement, and sensory processing. The frontal lobe. This part of the brain is responsible for decision-making, problem-solving and personality. The parietal lobe. This part of the brain is responsible for our sense of touch, spatial awareness and perception. The temporal lobe. This part of the brain is responsible for our hearing, memory and language processing. The occipital lobe. This part of the brain is responsible for our vision and perception of light. The brainstem. This part of the brain controls our automatic behaviors, such as breathing and heart rate. The limbic system. This part of the brain is responsible for our emotions and memories. How does the brain function? The brain is an incredibly complex network of neurons and synapses. When we experience something, the neurons in our brain send electrical signals to each other, creating a network of connections. When we learn something new, our brain creates new connections between neurons, strengthening our ability to remember and recall that information in the future. The brain also produces different chemicals, such as dopamine and serotonin, which help regulate our emotions and behaviors. Conclusion. The human brain is truly amazing, and we are still uncovering its mysteries. From learning, to memory, to emotions, our brain is at the center of everything we do. Hopefully, this video has helped you appreciate the incredible complexity of the human brain, and understand just how truly amazing it is. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more videos on the wonders of the world around us.